We present the redesigned and final interface for Belief Miner, a methodology for discovering causal beliefs and causal illusions from general populations. Here, a user can gradually build a small causal network. Let's consider a hypothetical crowd worker, Adam, who is using the interface. Adam encounters the overview and instruction module of the interface first. Here, he reads an overview and instructions for using the interface as a step-by-step guide by clicking on the next buttons. He has the opportunity to go back to previous pages or restart anytime. He can refer to the pictures of the interface in various different phases of his upcoming workflow that are provided here. Next, he encounters a simple instance of building a causal relation. If he is able to pass this test, he proceeds to the next module, Demographics and Climate Change Awareness Survey module. If he fails this test, he can always restart this module and retry this test to improve his understanding. In the Demographics and Climate Change Awareness Survey module, Adam has to answer 8 questions related to demographics and 4 questions related to his awareness of climate change. In every demographic question, he has a choice not to provide his information. Suppose he answers the following for each question. He is a male in his 20s. For this survey, he chooses the first option for every question. If he forgets to choose any option, necessary prompts are provided to guide him. When he finishes this module, he will be taken to the next module, Causal Network Creation module. In the Causal Network Creation module, Adam is presented with this page. There will be 2 drop-down menus containing the list of available attributes. The cause drop-down menu is on the left and the effect drop-down menu is on the right. He selects cause more fossil fuel burning because he believes that we presently have more fossil fuel burning. Then he chooses increasing carbon dioxide as the effect. Based on his selection, he can see different causal links are written on the bottom. He selects more fossil fuel burning leads to increasing carbon dioxide, and it will appear as the emerging network on the right. Now he can see both drop-down is being populated with the previously selected attributes. He will need to choose a previously selected attribute either as the cause or the effect. He chooses increasing carbon dioxide as the cause. As soon as he did this, the other drop-down is populated with the list of available attributes that have not been selected in previous rounds. Adam keeps on repeating this process 3 more times and creates 3 more causal relations. When he is finished with creating causal relations, he is taken to the Causal Network Alteration module. In this module, Adam can click on each edge and modify the edges by changing their directions. He can always see the result of his choice reflected in the interface. He decides not to modify anything. Finally, he is shown the Causal Network Interpretation and Evaluation module, where he can read his causal network as natural language text and evaluate it by providing his confidence level on the network. He reads his causal network and chooses Completely Confident. Finally, when Adam is finished with creating his network, he is taken to the Interface Evaluation module. Here, Adam has to evaluate the crowdsourcing interface. By clicking Next, he is prompted with the message of his successful participation. Thus, Adam finishes his participation in our data collection interface.